Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to play I'll Be Around by the Spinners on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start it by playing a few octaves like this. And then we'll play chords, an E major 9, a G sharp minor, and then an F sharp 6. We'll play those octaves by going to fret 4 on the D string and holding down fret 7 on the B string, and we'll pluck them this way, like that. I'm using my pick to play the D string and using my middle finger to pluck the B string, like this. So I've got the 4th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the B string. Gonna raise that by 2 frets, and then I'll go to the G string fret 4 and the high E string fret 7. So here's what we have. We'll follow that with an E major 9 chord. We're making that chord by barring fret 2 on the D string, G string, B string, and high E, bringing in the ring finger to the G string fret 4 and the little finger to the B string fret 4. And we're strumming that from the D string. We'll lay this finger down on the G, B, and high E string for a G sharp minor. That's G sharp minor. Then we'll come back up to an F sharp 6, played this way. Now what I'm doing there, in order to make that F sharp 6, I'm going to hold down the B and high E at fret 2. Bring in a finger to the G string fret 3 and the ring finger to the D string fret 4, and then bring in the little finger to the B string fret 4. So we're going to play the E major 9, and then we're going to up pick and play the G sharp minor, and then go to the F sharp 6 with a down strum. So we'll play it this way. Do that for the beginning of the song, and for the rest of the song we'll just repeat those chords. We'll play the E major 9, G sharp minor, F sharp 6, back to the G sharp minor, and we'll repeat that for the remainder of the song. That's all you're going to need to know in order to play I'll Be Around by the Spinners. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.